Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 model 2025 is a powerful tribute to the classic off-road legend, now reimagined with a modern twist while preserving its rugged DNA. The exterior maintains its boxy, iconic silhouette with bold lines, round LED headlamps, and a matte grille that gives a nostalgic yet aggressive face. It's fitted with all-terrain 18-inch wheels and reinforced bumpers for extreme durability. The FJ40 2025's high ground clearance and widened fenders emphasize its go-anywhere stance. Beneath the body, Toyota equips the FJ40 with a modern adaptive suspension system featuring electronic dampers. It delivers remarkable ride comfort on highways and absorbs rough terrains effortlessly. On rocky paths or desert trails, the suspension adjusts in real time, giving the driver exceptional control and confidence. The road grip is enhanced with multi-terrain control, offering superior traction through sand, mud, or snow. Coupled with its low-range gearing and solid axle setup, the 2025 FJ40 climbs hills and fords streams with ease. Its top speed hovers around 115 miles per hour, which is impressive for an off-roader of its class, and acceleration feels punchy due to its turbocharged hybrid powertrain. Performance-wise, it combines vintage charm with modern muscle. The hybrid engine ensures lower emissions without sacrificing torque, making it both environmentally aware and trail-capable. Its handling remains stable even under off-road pressure, delivering a thrilling yet dependable drive. Inside, the FJ40 sports a utilitarian luxury feel. The dashboard blends analog-style gauges with a digital cluster and touchscreen infotainment. Durable soft-touch materials coat the panels, and the air vents are metallic, echoing the retro look. The seats come in rugged brown leather with contrast stitching, offering comfort and style. The cabin remains functional yet updated, a perfect nod to its legacy.